Okay, here's what I find interesting. By the way, my name is MJ and I'm a marketing consultant. So, for this episode, I discuss the psychology behind Nike's brands. So, okay, Nike rarely tries to convince you to buy their shoes. Instead, they convince you to believe in yourself. Think about their slogan. They said, just do it. And that message isn't really about the shoes. It's about overcoming excuses, taking action, believing you're capable. And that's exactly why it works. Because from a psychology perspective, people don't remember information. They remember how something makes feel them special. Because Nike makes people feel motivated, confident, strong, like they're part of something bigger than themselves. And that's what creates an emotional connection, and emotional connection builds brand loyalty. And people don't keep coming back because they forget there are other shoe brands. They come back because Nike consistently reinforces the identity they aspire to become. So, if your marketing only tells people what you sell, this is what will happen. They compare you on price. But when your brand reminds people who they can become, they stop buying a product. They start buying into your brand. So, okay, always remember this. People don't stay loyal because you have the best products. They stay loyal because your brand makes them feel understood. Okay? Yes.